In Operations Center Mobile, users can view, configure, and manage various setup options for your organization, like managing your equipment and implements, fields and boundaries, products and mixes, and all personnel associated with your organization. In Setup, we'll start under Equipment. Here you can view your machine's serial number, make, type, or model, connectivity, and rename your machine. Here you can also view your machine's pairings, such as modems, receivers, and displays. Within the Implements tab, you can view serial numbers, if applicable, make, type, or model, and rename the implement. Within the Devices tab, you can view information related to other devices connected to your machine via a JD-Link modem. Under Land, you can view the clients and farms, fields, boundaries, guidance, and flags tabs. Starting in Clients and Farms, here you can view the fields list in your organization with client and farm hierarchy, and filter your options by client, farms, and fields. Here you can edit the information associated with your fields, view your data, and manage your archives. In the Fields tab, you can view a list of your organization's fields and sort without client and farm hierarchy. Tapping on a field will bring you to the Field Details tab, where you can review its client, farm, and field details, active boundaries, and workable area, as well as edit its client, farm, and field name. Moving on to the Boundaries tab, here you can view active and inactive boundaries for every associated field. Archive boundaries can be viewed once Archived is selected, and boundary details can be viewed by selecting a particular field. Here you can change its name, status, irrigation status, workable area, included shapes, and the source of the boundary, such as hand-drawn, display created, or from a previous operation. You can also archive and unarchive boundaries within this tab. In the Guidance tab, you can view an active list of guidance tracks for any selected field. Keep in mind, archive tracks can also be viewed upon selection. Once a track is selected, you can view its guidance details and modify the track name. With the Flags tab, you can see an active list of flags for any selected field. You can filter between flag category and type. Once a flag is selected, you can view its flag details as well as modify its category and field the flag belongs to. Under Products, you can view, create, edit, and archive your varieties, chemicals, and fertilizers. When adding a chemical or fertilizer, you must define the type, form, and whether it is a carrier. Chemicals also have an optional choice of entering their EPA number to determine if it is a restricted use chemical. You can filter each tab by crop varieties, brand, or other type of chemical or fertilizer. You can archive and make available any variety, chemical, or fertilizer. Looking at tank mixes and dry blends, you can view the active or archived selections and filter between product and target crops. Checking the details of any tank mix or dry blend, you can view their name, target crop, products included in the mix, rates for each product, and for tank mixes, you can also define the tank size and the option to enter inputs by application rate or simply overall amount. You may also use the tank mix calculator to determine how much product you will need for a field. Just enter in the acres and tank size, and it will calculate how much total product will be used for a full tank, partial tank, and for the entire field. If you need to make a small change to a tank mix, but don't want to go through the hassle of re-entering every product, you can use the Copy button to make a change and save as a new tank mix. Tap Teams to view your staff, operators, partners, and dealers tabs. Here you can review access for each, get a general overview, and review partner and staff assignments. You can add more staff, operators, partners, and dealers here in the app.